What's up guys, Product Guinea Pig here, back with another episode, and today's episode we're going to be breaking down a kitchen product that dominated the social media scene, and we're going to be testing this thing out, seeing if it actually does everything that it claims to do, and we're going to refer to this product as the egglet. Okay, so in front of me I have the products here. It actually comes disassembled in 3 pieces. It has a silicone holder here, just like that, and then it has the attachment ring which slides in pretty easily for the most part here. I'm probably making it harder than it actually looks, but there we go, and then the top just kind of slides on like that, okay? What this thing claims to do is to poach eggs perfectly. Also, you can make little mini egg omelets in it as well, so you can chop up some veggies and things like that and just put it in and just poach it all in one, and then it's supposed to come out perfectly. So on the screen I'll show you a couple of images of how the egg is supposed to look. At first sight, this product looks awesome. It looks cool, like it's something I would probably use. So this product is offered in quantities of 4, 6, 8, and 12, and it's made from high food grade silicone, from what the description says. So now we're gonna actually put this thing to the test. Let's see if the egglet holds up. Alright guys, so here I have the whole setup. This is the prep for it, okay? We have 3 of the egglets laid out. Each one's gonna be a different test. The first one's gonna be testing just a regular plain old egg just cracked in there and poached. Let's see if we can poach it that way. So second test will be a egg cracked in with some non-stick cooking spray, because I can see this type of material, it's silicone, it might end up sticking, so I'm choosing to run one of those tests. And then the third egg will be my favorite. If this thing works, this is a no-brainer for me. Like, I'm sold, right? This is what I wanted. This is what would sell me on this product, like having a portable omelet to go. So we're gonna end up chopping some peppers, putting a little spinach, and putting a little bit of onions in there, and seeing if we can come out with a perfected mini portable on-the-go omelet. We'll see if it holds up to all 3 of the tests, and now it's testing time. What the heck? Why'd I do that? I cracked the egg in the bowl. Whoops. Well, that's a waste of an egg. Alright, anyways. Oh, I just did it again. Oh, no, 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 no. I really don't want to start tearing up on while recording, so we're gonna chop it at a distance. I can sense the burn. I can start sensing it. But yeah. Eyes are starting to water. Can you guys see it? Like, ah. Alright, so as for the third egg test, since it is an omelet, I guess you could beat it up a little bit and just kind of mix it in there. Alright, so now I have all 3 egglets out. We were able to pull out the egglets just by the handle without being like super hot, but this is how they look after everything, if you guys see. Alright, they look okay. They look, from first sight, they look promising, but we won't know until we fully open them. They're a little bit hot right now, so let's see. Let's open these guys up. As I suspected, it does stick, okay? It is a little stuck in there, so I might have to take a spoon to it. Let's see with the spoon if I can get it out. Now, the final test. Okay, this is where all the money's at right here. If this omelet comes out looking right, it's gonna be good for me. So let's open this thing up. Okay, this is not bad. Not bad at all. I honestly had my doubts about this product when it first came in. I'm like, there's no way, it's probably gonna stick. Like, how's it gonna work? But really pleasantly surprised about how this all came out. So now we're gonna do a little taste test, right? Let's see how it tastes. It's not bad. It tastes like a little mini omelet. Wow, I'm so surprised by this. Not bad. But I don't like the taste of cooking spray on my egg, so. But the omelet one, it should taste pretty good. Alright, so the conclusion to the egglet test, I think visually a poached egg would look better than what this thing has created. But in terms of being able to make the omelet in you know, all-in-one portable omelet, this thing, if you're entertaining or anything like that, that will probably be very impressive to do. So I think that's more designed for something like that. But the taste pass, the cleaning, it should be pretty simple to scrape off. Some of this stuff is actually a little sticky inside, so it might be a little bit tougher to clean. But it's definitely fun to make creations and eggs and whatever people want to do. I think this item is worth putting in your store with the condition that you give clear instructions on how to actually use it, so people don't end up expecting one thing and getting another. You can get it on AliExpress. It starts at, I think the 4-piece is $6.50, and then the all the way up to 12-piece is $15.80. You can probably sell this item for, if it's a 12-piece, you can probably sell it for $29.99 or $24.99. So $24.99 to $29.99. So you can make a $10 to $15 margin on this product with the biggest package. But it seems like it has a good upsell, so it should do pretty well. People definitely go for the bigger packages, and the margin will be higher then. So that wraps it up for the egglet test, guys. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Hey, thank you so much for watching the episode, guys. If you have a product you want tested by us, make sure you comment below and we'll pick the most popular one to be potentially featured in our next episode. See you then.